There's nothing quite like a lush green lawn to make your home stand out, right? But if you've ever looked outside and spotted yellow spots, thinning grass, or a spread of pesky weeds, don't panic. Grass problems are incredibly common, and the good news is, they're fixable. Let's talk about some of the most frequent lawn issues and, more importantly, how you can tackle them at home. First up, yellow or brown patches. If you see these, it could be drought. Maybe your lawn just isn't getting enough water. But too much water can cause the same thing, especially if the soil stays soggy. Pet urine is another big culprit. If you've got a dog, those random yellow spots might be their doing. Next, weeds. Crabgrass and dandelions love to invade weak lawns where the grass can't fight back. If you spot more weeds than grass, it's usually a sign your lawn needs a little TLC. How about bare spots or thinning grass? This often happens where people walk a lot, the soil's pressed down too much, or if your grass isn't getting enough nutrients. If your lawn looks patchy, compaction or low nutrients are likely to blame. Now let's talk about disease. Fungal issues like dollar spot, brown patch, or red thread can pop up, especially after rain or when the lawn stays damp. You'll spot round, discolored patches or even a reddish tint to the grass blades. And don't forget about insects. Grubs and chinch bugs can chew away at your lawn's roots, leaving behind dead patches that just won't green up no matter what you do. So, how do you figure out what's going on? Start by taking a close look. Are the patches random or in patterns? Is the soil rock hard or super soft and wet? Sometimes a simple soil test can reveal if you're low on nutrients. And think about your watering and mowing routine. Too much or too little of either can cause problems. Now here's how to bring your lawn back to life. Proper watering is key. Aim for deep, infrequent soakings instead of quick daily sprinkles. Mow high and keep your blades sharp. Aerate and dethatch every season to help your grass breathe. Feed your lawn with a balanced fertilizer at the right times of year. For pests, you can use natural options like beneficial nematodes or chemical treatments. Just read the labels and follow directions. If you've got bare spots, overseed with the right grass seed and use a lawn repair kit for a quick boost. And don't forget, prevention is easier than cure. Keep up with regular mowing, watering, and feeding, and check your lawn each week for early signs of trouble. Adjust your routine as the seasons change for the best results. So, grab your gardening gloves and take a stroll around your lawn this weekend. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me about your biggest lawn problem. I'd love to help. And if you want to learn more, check out my other videos for even more lawn care tips.